Adjectives pose several problems because they often sound similar and mean similar things but are used in different contexts. So today's session is all about discussing some words which have similar meanings but which end up being confused with another word. Let's start with a very common word. A common mistake often made is not using fun and funny correctly. Both words are used as adjectives and have similar meanings, but they are still different. Of course, sometimes things and people can be funny and fun at the same time. Sneha, my best friend, is fun and funny. She's fun because we always do activities we both love and enjoy. She's funny because she makes me laugh when we spend time together. We use fun to describe someone or something enjoyable or a good time. Funny, on the other hand, describes someone or something that makes us laugh. Here are some more of these confused adjectives. How about bored and boring? When should you use bored versus boring? You should say bored when you want to describe that you or someone else is tired or unhappy because they're uninterested in something or have nothing to do. Boring. Think of boring as the opposite of interesting. It can be used to describe the things that make us bored, things that are not interesting. Another frequent point of confusion is the use of the words alone and lonely. For many cultures, being alone, that is, being without friends or family or other people, is lonely. But both the words are not the same thing. They mean two completely different things. Alone means without other people or on your own. Lonely is a feeling we have when we are unhappy or sad because we aren't with people. When should you use tired versus tired? Tired is used to describe how you feel when you're sleepy or feel fatigued. Tiring, on the other hand, is used to describe the activity or thing that is making you feel tired, exhausted or fatigued. So when is high used versus tall? Tall is an adjective that measures the size or height of vertical items such as people and buildings. For example, the Statue of Liberty is very tall. High is used to define an object's position from the ground, including bridges, planes, shelves and horizontal objects.